In the last wee while, Eventide have released some of the most exciting, usable, and great sounding apps the App Store has ever seen. From Undulator, one of their more recent releases, and one that I featured as my app of the week recently, to Black Hole, a fantastic reverb app that is pretty much an essential download for all iOS music makers at this point. Enter TriceraChorus, Eventide's fantastically named new AUV3 effect app that aims to emulate that classic Stompbox chorus sound from the 70s and 80s. Now, you probably already have a couple of chorus apps floating around your iDevice already, right? Whether it's a stock chorus attached to your DAW, a free chorus app that you've downloaded, or whatever. So why should you be thinking about getting another one? And what makes this one so special? Apart from the name, obviously. Eventide are really good at taking what on the face of it is a pretty straightforward app, adding a little bit of secret sauce to it, and turning it into something else entirely. And that's exactly what they've done here. What sets TriceraChorus apart from probably pretty much any other chorus app that you may have used is the depth of control here. On the face of it, TriceraChorus looks like it's got a lot of the same controls that you might see on other chorus apps. Now, TriceraChorus has 3 chorus voices, left, centre, and right. And you can control these voices individually using the knobs on the top there. Fiddling around with these 3 knobs is a great way to drastically affect the sound of your chorus effect. You can also switch between chorus mode and choral mode. Chorus mode evokes the chorusing effect created by classic chorus stompboxes, and choral mode produces lush, swirling choruses inspired by classic rack mount tri-chorus units. Other notable controls include the detune knob down here, which affects the left and right channels simultaneously. You have a delay here as well, and the swirl button adds stereo frequency shifting for a psychedelic flange-like flavour. This one button is probably my favourite part of the whole app. It can really change the sound of the chorus that you're working with. If all that sounds like far too much work for you, Eventide have included a bucket load of presets here as well, so you don't need a master's degree in audio engineering to get some great sounds from this thing. Just plug in, pick a preset, and play away. I found that guitars sounded particularly good when applying this chorus effect to them, but slap it on pretty much anything and it's gonna sound great. Eventide seem to be on a bit of a roll when it comes to iOS apps at the minute. They haven't released anything that I haven't found interesting and wanted to dive headfirst into. You can get TriceraChorus on your iPad or your iPhone from the App Store. It costs $9.99 to download, and that is an introductory price, I believe. So probably best not to sleep on this. If TriceraChorus has tickled your fancy and you want to check out some more Eventide awesomeness, then give the video up here a click. It'll take you to my Undulator app of the week video where you can see if that app is up your street as well. Take care of yourself. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.